Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Booksin Elementary School, home of the Bulldogs in San Jose, California, part of the San Jose Unified School District. This is my first visit to their campus. Beautiful morning and afternoon. Got to speak to all the grades, TK through 5. And right here in the cafeteria where we had 3 separate assemblies for students and staff. And the primary focus was bullying. The sub-theme, which you see one of the picture slides from the program, was about looking at the heart first. And we know that our hearts are as big as our fist, but if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign, where one finger is ourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also 2, because in just 2 seconds, 1, 2, 1 breath, 1 heartbeat, 1 word, 1 action, 2 seconds, we can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever, or conversely say something so mean that it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life, right? So we always have this choice to hopefully lift people up, that we rise by lifting others. And I love, their acronym here at their school that they really try to embody and live by, which is PAWS. It stands for peaceful, aware, wise, and safe, right? We want everybody to feel safe here, celebrated for who they are, accepted for who they are, no matter their differences. If we're born different, if we walk different, talk different, see different, learn different, hear different, have a different skin color, speak multiple languages, born in different countries, whatever it is, we can always choose to accept by seeing someone for who they are, just like we see our best friend, right? It's all about the heart. That's really, truly what matters. And I bring up a story too, speaking of bullying, it's a repeated action over and over and over again to get power over someone that you do on purpose. But some students will say, well, hey, Mr. Peace, you won't believe it, I'm getting bullied. I say, when did it start? And they're like 10 minutes ago, right? It's probably not bullying, but we still have to be conscious of the fact that even these one-time words or actions, those 2 seconds can either build up or they can tear down. And the students really got that. There are a lot of pin drop moments throughout all 3 talks. And I know something did hit them at the heart level, through the positive hip hop, the physical visual aid props, some of the inspirational videos, and just the heartfelt stories, that I tell them, hey, if I can reach your heart, touch your heart in under an hour, think about that difference you can make in someone's life for the rest of this school year and beyond. And that's if we choose to look at the heart first, but also if we choose to turn hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people, right? Because a lot of us have had our feelings hurt. We've had something in our lives that might cause some pain. But then again, we always have this choice consciously to either be in that hurt, be in that moment for a long time or an extended time, or choose to rise above, any of that hate, that might exist, and still choose love, right? And become these healed people to help heal other people, right? That the same kindness that was shown to us, we can go out into this world and start to spread that, right? Each and every day. And not just here at school, but in our community, at home, wherever we live, wherever we go, we can always choose to be those amazing friends to other people. And that is not only just seeing someone for their heart first, but also for this too. Something I bring up in every assembly that's so important to me, but all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand. That M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W is for worthy. But like the front of my shirt, the one I wear for this particular presentation, it says miracle. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. Now it's up to us to go be that light to someone else's heart. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a great first visit to your school. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then though, have a great school year moving forward. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.